I'm happy to address you all. Today, I'm going to teach you an important topic, reproduction in plants. We see many kinds of plants around us. Just look around. We all know animals are living things. Human beings also living things. What about plants? Plants are also living things. Most plants, they reproduce from seeds. Some plants, they reproduce through their body parts such as root, stems and leaves. Now we'll see about reproduction from seeds. Plants have fruits that have one or many seeds. So if you see this avocado, this is one seeded. Then next example, if you see plum. Plum is also one seeded fruit. Then coming on to many seeded, papaya is best example. Then watermelon, if you see, that watermelon also best example of many seeded fruit. Germination. The process by which a seed grows into a seedling and then into a new plant is called germination. Now next is structure of a seed. A seed is covered with seed coat that protects the baby plant inside the seed. The baby plant is also called the embryo. What is the name? Embryo. The baby plant is also called the embryo. There are two seed leaves that contain food for growing embryo, and these are called cotyledons. There are two seed leaves that contain food for the growing embryo, and these are called cotyledons. Some seeds such as gram, pea and bean, they have two cotyledons and they are called dicotyledon. Some plants like maize, rice and wheat, they have only one cotyledon and they are called monocotyledon. Now distinguish between dicot and monocot. So dicot means they have two cotyledon. Example, gram, pea and bean. Now only if one cotyledon is there, that is monocot. Example, maize, rice and wheat. Now seed dispersal. Plants generally produce many seeds. Just imagine if all seeds fall at one place, what will happen? There would be lack of space, water and sunlight for the growth of that seed. So in order to avoid overcrowding, there is a process called scattering of seed. The process of scattering of seeds to a different places is called seed dispersal. So what is seed dispersal? The process of scattering of seeds to a different places is called seed dispersal. Now, how this seed dispersal is carried out? Seed dispersal is carried out by many ways. Seed dispersal by wind, seed dispersal by water, seed dispersal by insects and seed dispersal by explosion of that seeds. So now important keywords in this lesson, children. First is germination. The process by which seeds grows into seedlings and then into mature plants is called germination. Now next is cotyledons. Cotyledon is nothing but it is the seed leaves. Embryo. The baby plant inside the seed is called embryo. Now next is seed dispersal. The process of scattering of seeds is called seed dispersal. So that's all, children. Thank you so much. Hope you learned something interesting in this session. Stay home, stay safe.